The following training is sponsored by the Neoga Library System. We serve our member libraries in Niagara, Orleans, and Genesee counties. Please visit your local library homepage and use your library card to get access to streaming videos, downloadable music, audiobooks, ebooks, and even more from the comfort of your own home. Thank you. Hello, good to see everybody today. I want to let you know about a new mobile app for our library catalog, and you can see here on the top of the screen it is called the Blue Cloud Mobile or BC Mobile app. And I'm going to read this off so everyone gets the chance to hear it or see it. It's an app for the catalog for both Android and Apple devices. This new app will allow for a better mobile experience, and the app will be offered instead of BookMine. Patrons with BookMine should be encouraged. Please go ahead and switch to the new app, Blue Cloud Mobile, and that's what I'm going to be going over today. Is actually how to load the app, and we're going to take a quick peek at it as well. So BookMine will continue to work with the catalog, but will not be available from the catalog page. So some of the features for this Blue Cloud mobile app, which looks great, is that it does have a barcode scanner for item lookup, nice, GPS to locate the nearest library location, My Account, ebooks and audiobooks, online resources, and My Barcode, which holds a virtual library card for ease of use in the library. Nice, all right. The information from the app pulls from the same catalog as all of the rest of our computers, so it gets updated every 4 hours, which is great, and you'll be able to go ahead and log into your library accounts, you view, manage your holds, you can place holds, you can renew items, view your finds, all of that stuff. There's a specific link now to go to. Now this became important because people like me don't follow directions. I saw this and I went, oh, a new app, yay! And I immediately pulled up my phone and I looked for Blue Cloud. Don't do that. I'm going to show you what happens when you do that. It's not bad. It's just that there's a lot of apps named Blue Cloud, and it doesn't work as well. Okay, that type of thing. Don't do what I did. Follow directions, okay? So, and if you don't, you come back to this video and then follow the directions like I will. All right. So what I did was there is a link provided here on this particular page. It will be on your library catalog pages. It's available to all of our Neoga libraries. And when you go ahead and you click on this link, and this is the smartest thing to do, when you click on the link, let me back up 1 second, because when you do look up Blue Cloud, you get all kinds of blue clouds. Yeah, it's not the right thing. So that's what I did. So not a good thing to do. Let me go back to my information page. If you use the proper link here, which you should do, which is available on your library homepages, or will be available on your library homepages, when you click on it, well, lo and behold, here it is, the Neoga Library System catalog. This is the correct link, and it is the correct app, okay? Again, though I still don't like to follow directions, or actually I do. The problem though is that as I'm looking at right now, as we look on the screen, I'm looking at my computer, all right? I am not signed into the same Google account on my computer, because this is my work computer. I don't want my work computer on this is, my own phone. I don't want, good golly, I don't want that. What I decided to do is, once I looked here, all right, the important piece becomes this. It's Neoga Library System Catalog. Here is the icon that we're looking for. And right here, it is created by this company, Solus UK Limited. What I did was I went to my app store. Now I'm going to have the logo somewhere up here for the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. And for myself, now I'll show you, when I go to my app store, there's a search at the top for me. And what I did was I literally searched for Neoga Library. Now, when I search for Neoga Library, and again, knowing what I can see on this screen, this becomes very important. We want to make sure that we have the correct app for what we want. We don't want to install junk. We don't want to give our information away. You're going to be putting in things like your library card and stuff like that. You want to make sure you have the right app. So looking for the very top one pops up with the Niaga Library System Catalog. This is by Solus UK, and it does have the correct logo. So I'm going to tap this, and when I do, it brings up screenshots here of the app, and it brings up information about it. When I look at it, it says access the Niaga Library System Catalog from your Android phone or tablet. Okay, looks good. Now the other thing too, because I do want to be sure, I can always look at these screenshots that are included. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to tap on the first screenshot. This is what comes up. Okay, and I'm sorry if there's a glare. I'm trying to get that off of there on the camera. But this actually, that screenshot lines up right here with this first screenshot here. Ooh, good. Okay, that's very positive. I want to make sure I'm in the right spot. There's the second screenshot here, matches up with this one. And if I keep moving along right here where I clicked, now remember, this becomes important because we want to be sure we're in the right spot. That is the number one thing, okay? And all of these screenshots that are coming up on my phone where I looked up the information are matching what is on my work computer. This is like I mentioned, my phone is completely separate from my work computer. I'm signed into a separate account. It has nothing to do. So the fact that these two, the phone and my computer, mirror one another and they line right up tells me, aha, I've got the right app. So I would feel confident in installing this app on the phone. One more thing, and I'll come back for part 2 because this is getting long, but I do want to be clear on this. On your regular computer, you can indeed be signed into the same account. It is generally beneficial to us to be signed into the same Google account, what's called across your devices, all right? And you can see here, and the reason I'm mentioning this is because this little information piece, little I there, it says this app is available for all of your devices. That's great, right? So if I were signed into, for example, my work account here, which I am, and if I were signed into my work account, this was a work phone and I was signed in here, then if I click install here on my work account and I were signed in, it would install on, or I would have access to it on my phone as well, easy access. So I might have to go to the Play Store and tap it, but once I tapped it, it would then open on my device. One last thing, well, you know what? No. Come back for part 2. Thanks. Hope this was helpful. Bye now.